Hello my dear friends, how you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna make this pretty necklace set that I had made for to match with my outfit at my brother's wedding, and it looked really pretty and everyone literally liked it, and it was as it was customized, it matches very well with my outfit and it's very comfortable to wear for the whole day. I rock the barat while wearing this necklace set with my outfit. So I hope that you will enjoy this tutorial and will definitely try to make this necklace set at home. If you like this video, do give the thumbs up. If you are new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like these in the future. And now, without wasting time, let's get started. So the material required is fabric. So I'm taking this fabric out of my lehenga only, on which I'm gonna try this necklace set. Then this is a kind of leaf shape MDF. So if you don't have MDF in the beginning, you can also draw the shape on the cardboard and use it. Then this is kundan. So basically these are the lines of kundans and we have to take only one out of it. Pearl laurels, just stickable kundans, and we are taking two sizes. One is big size is this, and one is the smaller ones. Then these are zero size pearl beads. Then sprintles or laria, oval shaped glass beads, and I'm taking this pink color to match with my outfit. Then fabric glue and Fevibond glue. Cutter scissor plier, eye pins, necklace dori, and any similar color fabric for the back finishing. So first of all we are going to attach the fabric to this MDF. For that, first we'll measure how much fabric is required to cover this MDF, and I'm taking this fabric and we'll see how much fabric is required from this, and with the help of the scissor I'm gonna cut this one. Now to stick this fabric to the base, we are gonna take this Fevibond glue because it sticks faster than fabric glue, and I always prefer this. If you are following my videos, you will come to know. So we'll apply this. We will apply to the first half and then we'll stick this. The fast forward. So while making this, make sure that there is no overlapping of the fabric, and also make sure that the glue won't get stuck in the front, otherwise the finishing won't come good. So guys, you can see we have attached this and this is how it looks. Now we are going to do the beadwork over here. For that, first we are gonna add this kundan. So I'm taking one kundan out of this. I just tear it and this. So we are gonna basically stick it, but before sticking it, we are gonna add this pearl this go but before that we are gonna add these glass beads to it. For that, I'm taking this l'oreal and we're gonna add this small bead here, and then this. Okay, and in this we are gonna add these pearl L'Oreals too. So I'm gonna take 3 pearl L'Oreals. So we have taken these 3 pearl L'Oreals, and this is how it looks. And now to this one, from this down side we are gonna insert this. So I have added this, and then we are gonna wrap this wire. Okay, so this is how this looks. Now we are gonna attach this one over here, over the top, with the help of fabric glue. So I'm taking this fabric glue, and then we'll add the glue to this bottom, and we'll stick it over here. So this is looking so pretty from now only, but we have so much left to do. Now we are gonna add 5 pearl beads to this, where on the edges of this uh, diamond. So for that, again I'm taking this fabric glue, and we have to be very careful now. Touch this, and then I'm taking these pearls, and slowly to the edges over here we're gonna stick these pearls. So you can see this is how it looks. Now for further work we are gonna add the kundans to this. So these are the kundans that we had taken already, and again over this we are gonna add the kundans. So very carefully I'm first gonna add 1 drop of glue over here, and I'm gonna add this big bead in the middle, and then I will just draw a line of glue to the both sides, and then we'll add 3 kundans to both. Okay, so we have added. Now we are gonna add one more kundan. So I'll just drop a glue over here, and we are gonna add a kundan over here this side. So with this, this front side is ready. Now to make the necklace, we are gonna attach the necklace. We are gonna add some eye pins to the downside. For that I'm taking these eye pins, and we are gonna stick it to the bottom side. So for that again I'm taking this Fevibond glue, and we'll just flip this upside down, and over here where this beadwork is finishing I'm gonna add the glue, and then we'll add these pearl beads, eye pins. Okay, so now this is done, and now I'm gonna keep it like this only, and we'll wait for it to get this dry, and then we'll start with our further work. So guys, you can see now this has dried up, and this is how it looks. You can see this is how pretty it had become. Now we are going to add the back finishing fabric to this. So for that I'm taking the same color of fabric. It's not the same fabric, but same color of fabric, which I'm not gonna use anymore. And I'll cut whatever how much is required. And then with the help of Fevibond glue, I'm just gonna stick it. So I have stick this fabric, and now we are gonna cut the extra part out of this. So I'll just quickly do cut the extra part. So guys, I have cutted this, and you can see this is how it looks. Now to make this whole set we need 5 charms like this in total. So I have already made the rest 4, just this. And now we are gonna attach them to each other from the back side. So for that I'm taking this plier and will open this. I open this, and in this one I'm gonna add this pendant like this, and then immediately we're gonna close. So this is how we have to attach them. So in the same way guys, I'm gonna attach this all, so I'll quickly do that. Hey guys, so you can see I have attached this all the 5 petals of the necklace, and this is how pretty our necklace is looking. So basically I would also like to give one disclaimer. Initially I have attached these eye pins over here in the mid, but when I have attaching these petals, they are not attaching properly because there was no sufficient gap in them. So then later on I just removed them and I attached the eye pins over here, and then this is how we are able to have a proper shape of the necklace. So you can see this is how we have made it. Now we are gonna quickly add this necklace dori with the help of the eye pin to that. So for that I'm taking this dori, and you can see it already had a hole, and then I'm taking this jump ring. So we'll open the jump ring with the bare hand and we'll add it here, and over here I'm gonna again do this, and now with the help of the plier I'm gonna quickly lock it. So you can see I have attached this. So in the same way I'm going to attach here, so I'll quickly do that. Guys, tada! With this we have made this pretty necklace set, and these are our pretty earrings. So I have followed the same process that we did for making this base, and then rather than adding the eye pin, I have added this earring stud to it, and then I have added the back finishing fabric. So that's it. With this pretty necklace is ready. Our beautiful necklace is ready. I have specially made this necklace for upcoming wedding season. So do make and wear this necklace, and you can also give this to your beloved ones. If you like this design, do hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.